Hello everyone. Hi, my dear friend. How are you? I'm good, and you? I'm also fine. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh, and you? Oh dear, that sounds really great. I'm from USA. Wow, it's really good. Do you know about Bangladesh? Yes, I do. But I want to know about your country. Could you tell me about your country, please? Yes, of course. Why not? Bangladesh is located in South Asia. India and Myanmar are neighboring countries of Bangladesh. Besides, there have a lot of natural beauty and historical places in Bangladesh. That's really amazing. If I want to visit your country, then which places do you suggest me for travel? What type of places do you want to visit? Natural beauty or historical places? Which one do you like to travel? Actually, I like both types of places. It's okay. Then I could suggest you to travel to Sundarban and Cox's Bazar Beach. That would be great for you. Cox's Bazar is the largest beach in the world. Every year, a lot of people come here to spend their vacations. Really? I didn't know that. I would love to visit there. Is there anything else to visit in your country? Of course, there are many other places. Among them, I would like to suggest you Rangamati. It is a beautiful place. You can enjoy the natural beauty there. That sounds awesome. Please tell me more about it. Rangamati is a district in the Chittagong Hill Tracts region. It is known for its beautiful hills, valleys and lakes. The most popular tourist destination in Rangamati is the Kaptai Lake. It is the largest artificial lake in Bangladesh, and it offers stunning views of the surrounding hills and valleys. Other popular tourist destinations in Rangamati include the Buddha.2, JD Cutie Viewpoint, the Shingalchari National Park, and the tribal villages. Nice places. I would love to visit there with my family. If you want, I can also suggest some historical places. Please do so. Among them, I would suggest you to visit the Asan Mandir. It is a beautiful building, and it was the seat of the government of East Pakistan and later Bangladesh from 1958 to 1969. That would be great. When would you suggest me to visit these places? The best time to visit Bangladesh is during the winter season, which is from October to February. The weather is cool and pleasant during this time, and it is also the best time to explore the country's natural beauty. Okay, then I'll plan a trip to your country with my family. That would be great. I hope you will enjoy your trip to Bangladesh. Me too. Thanks a lot for your suggestion. You are most welcome. It was really nice talking to you. Yeah, me too. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Bye.